Hey guys, welcome back. We are finishing up my holiday order from Torani. I don't know what order these videos are posted in, but this is the last one I'm filming the intro to, so if it's a different order, my apologies for the confusion. We have two syrups left to test. We have Torani's Tiramisu. I was on the fence because I tried Monin's Tiramisu and it was terrible. And I wasn't sure whether I was going to order it or not. And then I found out that one of the local coffee shops that I go to, not my favorite, but one of the local ones that I go to, makes a tiramisu latte using this syrup and one other ingredient, plus of course milk and coffee. And it's really good. It's one of my favorite things from that coffee store. So I was like, well, we definitely got to try this. So this is the tiramisu syrup. I don't know, I wouldn't consider it a holiday flavor, but that particular coffee shop, it's called Moka. It's a Madison, Wisconsin chain. One of their holiday lattes is a tiramisu latte, so they do consider it a holiday flavor. So we'll let this go with the holiday theme. And then I got Puremade Irish cream. Now, I have the regular non-Puremade Irish cream, or I had it. We had a little bit of an accident and some things spilled, and that was one of them that spilled. I wasn't sure if there was any left. There is not, so I don't get to compare this to the regular Irish cream until I can buy some more. But generally speaking, if I like the regular version, I'll like the Puremade version the same, if not better. The Puremade versions are generally a little weaker, but also they have less of a chemical taste to them. So you have to use more of them to get the same flavor, and they end up being a little sweeter then because the predominant flavor is sugar. But ultimately, the flavor itself is very good. So I'm sure I'll like this. I wish I could compare it to the other one. We'll do that in another video. But we will definitely taste this and try it. And so that's it for the new Torani order. My next order will probably be Monin. We'll have to see when we do that. My plan was to do both Torani and Monin over the summer of 2022 and then test them through the fall. And I just got stuck trying to pare down the Torani order. I couldn't. That's how I ended up just getting all the caramels and all the vanillas, because I couldn't figure out how to pare it down. So I was like, well, I better not do Monin. You know, just do one. So we'll do the Torani order, no, the Monin order rather, in the future. Sometime in the next few months, you know, we'll have some new flavors to test. But in the meantime, this is a lot to work with. So let's go over there and make some lattes. Okay, so we're over here at the coffee machine. I'm using these discount pods from Marshall's that all kind of taste the same and all kind of taste pretty good. So we'll put one in there. We got the tiramisu, we got the Irish cream. As I said before, and as you've seen in previous videos, I did have the non-Puremade version of the Irish cream, and the bottle spilled. I would have liked to have done a comparison between the Puremade and the non-Puremade, but I don't have any left. So we've just got the Puremade for today, and I believe I can get a small bottle of the non-Puremade at like a local grocery store, so I gotta remember to look around for that. 4 spoonfuls of each. Okay, let's do the second one. Got away from me there. Oh. Stealthy little bugger. Okay. Tiramisu is a little bit like I should have started with fewer spoonfuls. I'm gonna add another spoonful or two of the Puremade's always weaker, so that shouldn't have surprised me, but still. Okay, so when you taste these, try to consider the fact that I would probably have put less in here if I had my wits about me. One of these is tiramisu. One of these.
Do you remember which one it is?
I do, but
I just want to make sure for your.
Yeah. Can't remember if I mentioned it earlier when I was talking on the couch, but the tiramisu is the stuff that the coffee shop Moka uses in their tiramisu latte, but they mix it with something called Blanco powder, and I don't know what that is. If you want, if you're having trouble, I can always make one that uses less, or add more milk even.
They're good. They're sweet.
Yeah, I don't know if I like. I wish I had the Puremade, the non-Puremade Irish cream to compare to, because this one mainly just tastes like sweetener. Mm-hmm. There's not a strong flavor to the Irish cream other than sweetener. Would you agree? So I do need to make it a point to get the non-Puremade version. But I would call them both a win.
Yeah, the flavors are nice.
They both make it to the next round.
Tiramisu is just cream and coffee, right? What else does tiramisu taste like?
Cocoa powder.
Okay.
There's.
I don't really get cocoa.
Yeah, I don't get cocoa when I eat tiramisu either. I get cream, coffee, and pastry. But I mean, that's basically, you know. Okay, well, these two are both a win. But as I try to figure out what syrups are going to be my daily drivers and what ones are going to be pair downs and which ones are going to be reseller giveaways, you'll definitely see them pop up again in future comparisons. This is like the first bracket. So I don't think I need to do a wrap up on the couch for this one. I think we learned what we need to learn, which is that both of these are solid. I need to try this one again with fewer spoonfuls. I need to try this one again in comparison to the... Why is the microwave blinking 9? I'm just noticing that. So,
What did you start it?
OCD.
Instead of just clearing it?
Yep. That's the end of this video. I guess these videos may also have a sponsor. I'll have to see if Fanstick is interested in sponsoring my coffee vlog. If so, please support our sponsor by buying Fanstick. Thanks for watching.